Having a hard time quieting your mind during meditation? Stay tuned and watch this video for my foolproof tips and tricks on how to meditate for beginners. Meditation is to active quieting your mind to connect with your soul for the best self-care tips and tricks for total wellness. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video every Sunday. If you're the person that finds your schedule to be too busy to take 15 minutes out of your day just to spend some time with yourself, or if you tried meditation in the past and you just couldn't stop your mind from thinking, this video is for you. In this video I'll give you some foolproof tips and tricks on meditating and making it a part of your everyday routine. Sexual meditation is a way to improve your awareness of your own body to increase your pleasure during sex. By doing sexual meditation regularly, you will be able to take more pleasure in having sex and make the connection between you and your partner deeper. You can learn to do this even if you have never done any type of meditation before. Part 1 of 2. Do basic sex meditation. 1. Choose a quiet place without distractions. Dim the lights in the bedroom or living room and turn off electronic devices such as phones, televisions, and laptops. Find yourself a room with a comfortable temperature. If it is too hot or too cold, you may not be able to concentrate. You could also put a few cushions on the floor to make yourself comfortable during the meditation. Place them next to each other while leaving a little space between you and your partner. 2. Put you at ease. Get into a position that is comfortable for you and your partner. For example, you could lie down or sit down in the lotus position. You and your partner can meditate while wearing loose, comfortable clothes, but you can also wear nothing if that's what you prefer. Keep your back straight, whether you are sitting or lying down, and keep your arms at your sides. Gently rest your arms on your thighs if you are meditating while sitting. Keep your chin up and your head in line with your back if you are seated. 3. Close your eyes. When you are ready, you and your partner can close your eyes and begin the meditation. Then try to be aware of the things around you. Observe your body, your breathing and the sounds you can hear. Try not to be confused by the thoughts that come to you and just focus on the present moment. If there are thoughts popping up in your head, be aware of them before letting them go. For example, if something happens to you at work, you might think, yes, it did, before imagining that thought pulling away from you. 4. Focus on the space and your breathing. Throughout the meditation, you should focus on the space and on your breathing. Breathe in and out deeply while paying attention to the air leaving your body. As you breathe in, pull the air into your abdomen and imagine the stress escaping your body as you breathe out. Try to become aware of yourself and how you feel. Observe the sensation of the air around your body and the sensation of the different parts of your body, from your hands to your feet. 5. Visualize your body. At the start of meditation, visualize your body. Think about how your body looks inside and out and how much energy it gives off. Think about the shapes, colors and sounds of your present sensations. For example, you might imagine that the desire you feel for your partner right now looks like a red globe. Concentrate on your physical sensations. Try to become aware of your body and the sensations you feel. The goal of sexual meditation is to increase self-awareness, which can lead to more intense sexual arousal. 6. Focus on your partner. Once you are done visualizing yourself, focus on your partner. Try to think about your partner's body and their emotions at the time. Look at your partner. You can open your eyes and look your partner in the eye. Make sure to notice his breathing as well. Watch the movements of his body. For example, you can watch his stomach and torso as he inflates and deflates. Communicate with him without speaking. Try to use your face, hands, and eyes to show her how you feel. Also watch his expressions. Try to understand how he feels. 7. Go on to sex. After about 20 minutes of sexual meditation, move on to intercourse. If you prefer sex after doing meditation, discuss it with your partner to do it more regularly. Part 2 of 2. Improve your experience. 1. Listen to relaxing sounds. It might be difficult to concentrate with outside sounds, which is why nature sounds or relaxing music designed for meditation to help you relax. Try playing sounds like rain, waves, or new age music. Pick something that will last long enough that you can meditate and have sex without going to switch audio tracks. 2. Try Taoist sexual meditation. Once you have tried basic sexual meditation, you can move on to a more complex form. Taoist sexual meditation is a form of meditation that focuses on merging your desires with those of your partner. Synchronize your breaths. You can start Taoist meditation by holding your partner and trying to synchronize your breathing rhythms. This means that you should both be able to inhale and exhale at the same time. Continue until you are in perfect sync with your breaths. Try the hand pulses. Another form of Taoist meditation is the pulsation of the hands. Gently open and close your partner's hand or press it down in a gentle, steady rhythm. Your partner can also do it on your hand. 3. Try out some tantric practices. Tantrism is a practice of meditation through sex, which is why you and your partner might enjoy using some of these practices more. Here are several tantric practices you could try. Look you in the eye. Try to maintain your partner's gaze during sex and during orgasm. Alternate your breaths. Try to alternate your breaths with your partner. For example, you can inhale when he exhales and vice versa. Advice. Before you decide to try sex meditation, discuss your reasons with your partner. You can start meditating individually to get into the habit of clearing your head to make the tandem experience more rewarding. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Take care.